Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of August in 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.71%. This equates to an average return of 0.74% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 25.48% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 34.02% and negative 16.89%. When we consider the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 15.3%. Our assessments suggest that the stock's performance could vary from negative 76.64% to positive 116.66% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $4.12 and $38.18. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price down 2% on Thursday. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price declined by 2% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 14th of August, 2025. On this trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.96%, ranging from a low of $17.36 to a high of $17.70. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but has still risen by 0.17% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also dropped on this last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows stock price trends. Specifically, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $80.23 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock's highest price was $54.68, while the lowest price stood at $11.75. Currently, the price is 67.78%, or $37.06, below the 52-week high, and 77.80%, or $61.76, below the all-time high recorded on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media is making significant strides in the realms of cryptocurrency and content this month. The company has submitted an updated S-1 form for a Truth Social Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, which will be managed by Crypto.com and is expected to launch later this year. Additionally, they have publicly revealed a multi-billion-dollar cryptocurrency treasury, along with plans to implement token rewards. Concurrently, they are enhancing their streaming content offerings through partnerships with GB News and Great American Media, and have initiated public beta testing for an artificial intelligence search feature on Truth Social. In contrast to these developments, the operating revenue for the second quarter remains minimal, with some metrics indicating substantial losses. Moreover, the company is currently dealing with a recent legal challenge involving its CEO. In the short term, the ETF filing and significant Bitcoin holdings serve as clear catalysts. We can expect increased speculation, price movements correlated with Bitcoin, and possible rallies stemming from positive milestones related to the exchange-traded fund. Volatility is anticipated to be high, and news headlines have the potential to rapidly influence sentiment. However, over the long term, any sustainable growth relies on effectively monetizing the core platform and transforming both content and AI initiatives into steady revenue streams. This must be done while navigating the regulatory, legal, and valuation risks associated with a balance sheet heavily invested in cryptocurrency. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to the stock of Trump Media and Technology Group. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 8.43%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $18.15. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $17.24. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative indication. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume declined in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 7 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 129 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 124 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.40. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 340 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 1.96%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.88%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $17.40. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 6th day of August in the year 2025, Glabe Scott made an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Glade Scott also executed an insider sale of 13,151 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 6th day of August, in the year 2025, Novichky Vladimir conducted an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On that same day, Novichky Vladimir also sold 18,120 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 6th day of August in the year 2025, Juhan Philip made an insider purchase of 142,396 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 77 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.864. In total, insiders purchased 226,953,307 shares and sold 116,045,810 shares in these 77 trades. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there's no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 15th of August, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by 6 cents, starting at $17.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.